Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy and delicious salsa. I took 2 jalapenos and barbecued them with a whole tomato and 1/2 of a white onion. And you want to get it, at least the onion, until you've got a little bit of black on it, but you don't want it to be solid. Otherwise it's just going to taste like char. So I'm going to let these cool. I'm going to take the stems off of the jalapenos. I'm going to throw them into a blender with some cilantro, and we're going to blend it. This is really easy. It's a little spicy, but if you don't mind some spice, this is a really easy recipe. Preferably I'd be using jalapenos that were smaller, but these were all I had in the refrigerator. So this is 1/2 of a white onion, a medium-sized one, grilled with a whole tomato and 2 jalapenos. I'm also going to add a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt. Gonna add a little bit of cilantro with the stems.